Today we are going to see Standard 6th Social Science Civics Unit 2 Achieving Equality Book Back Question and Answer. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Which one of the following is not the reason for prejudice? Answer, geography. Next two, discrimination done on the basis of gender is referred to as answer, gender discrimination. Third, gender-based stereotypes are often portrayed in dash, all of these. Fourth one, name the books written by A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Answer, all of these. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam was conferred Bharat Ratna in the year 1997. Vishwanathan Anand became India's first Grandmaster in the year 1988. Seventh one, in which sport Ilavalagi excels? Answer, Carom. Eighth one, which article of the Constitution says discrimination against any citizen on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth or any of them is not permitted? Answer, 15.1. B.R. Ambedkar was conferred Bharat Ratna in the year 1990. 10th one, as for the 2011 census, the highest literate district in Tamil Nadu? Answer, Kanyakumari. Next, Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. People have false belief and ideas on others is called prejudice. Next 2, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam was born in dash 1931. Third one, dash was the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, India's highest sport honor. Answer, Vishwanathan Anand. Dash was the independent India's first law minister? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Fifth one, as per the 2011 census, the lowest sex ratio was in dash, the Dharmaburi. Next, Roman letter 3, match the following. Prejudice, answer, judge other people negatively. Stereotype, answer, false view or idea about something. Discrimination, answer, treating someone less fairly than others. Article 14, equality before law. Article 17, abolition of untouchability. Answer the following questions. What is prejudice? Answer, prejudice means to judge other people in a negative or inferior manner without knowing much about them. It happens when people have false beliefs and ideas. Second question, what is stereotype? Stereotype is a false view or idea about something. For example, girls are not good at sports. When prejudice gets stronger, it develops into a stereotype. Third question, what is discrimination? Answer, discrimination can be defined as negative actions towards people. Discrimination can happen on the basis of color, class, religion and gender, etc. Fourth question, what are the articles that are discussing the equality in the Indian Constitution? Answer, Article 14 of the Constitution, Article 15 1 of the Constitution. Roman letter 5, answer the following in detail. First question, what are the causes of prejudice? Answer, socialization, economic benefits, ethnocentrism, conforming behavior, authoritarian personality, group closure, conflicts. Next question 2. Write any two types of discrimination. Answer: caste discrimination. Caste system is the most dominant reason for inequality and discrimination in India. In the beginning, the society was divided into different groups on the basis of occupation known as Varnas. Leaders like Ambedkar was against caste discrimination. He fought actively for equality among the citizens of India. Gender discrimination. Gender discrimination refers to health, education, economic and political inequalities between men and women in India. For example, a girl is not allowed to go college after finishing her schooling. Most of the girls are not allowed to select a career of their choice. In some families, girls are not allowed to wear modern dresses while boys in such families wear modern dresses. Third question. Explain the solution to the removal of inequality and discrimination in Indian society. Answer: the remedial measures for abolishing inequality and discrimination in Indian society are as follows. Wider access to quality basic service like healthcare and education for all. Be aware of current gender bias. Make women more visible in public life and institution to eradicate gender disparity. Explain the solution to the removal of inequality and discrimination in Indian society. Answer: the remedial measures for abolishing inequality and discrimination in Indian society are as follows. Wider access to quality basis services like healthcare and education for all. Be aware of current gender bias. Make women more visible in public life and institution to eradicate gender disparity. Be open to learning about other religions. Promoting community dining in the classroom may help the students to sit together without any bias of caste, religion, or gender. Socialize with people of all types outside home. Effective implementation of laws. Thank you.